C3 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular one, 1976 Chevrolet Corvette. Underneath the hood, crate 350 power. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC is still R12. Technician noted compressor kicks on and off. Did not blow cold, so that would need some attention. Maybe converted. Heat does blow hot though. And you can see this paint has a nice shine to it. There's a few spots up in the front fascia where, I mean, you can tell the car's been driven. It's got a few little touch-ups here or there, but the previous owner has taken care of those and filled them in. So bright red saddle interior. Check out the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. And yes, the paint in person has a shine like you're seeing in the video. It almost appears that it's wet. Riding on the rally style wheels with center caps, beauty rings, BF Goodrich radials, and those are dated 2020. So drive on those, plenty of tread. Let's take a look down this passenger side. The saddle or camel interior on this was redone just 3 years ago. And you can see the doors, side panels on the passenger side are not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, the car is driven. You may find imperfection here or there, but interior, nice shape. After being reupholstered, recarpeted. Center console, there's that 4-speed manual. Does have a retro sound, kind of newer style radio in it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. True dual exhaust. As you can see, luggage rack, and it does come with the T-top storage bags, Corvette assembly manual or repair manual. Have the T-tops out for the picture and video purposes, and you'll be able to see the car pictured with the T-tops in and the T-tops out. And once again, those pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Does have a battery shutoff on the battery behind the driver's seat. Technician made a couple notes. Lower control arm bushings will need some attention in the near future. I did mention the tires are date coded 2020. Front brakes are 90%, and the rear brakes could use a little attention due to the contamination of the pad or calipers. But as far as drivability, it'll drive out. It's just some things that we want to let you know about in the near future. May need some attention. Jason's going to drive this car at the end of this video, show you how it drives out, take it down the road. And you can see driver's side also, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Yes, is there a touch up here or there? Give you an example, and I'm not talking about anything major, but like right there, a couple small ones. But again, this is one of those cars, get in and drive, an original South Dakota car. Driven from there to here. And as you can see, interior, once again, nice shape. No rips, tears, holes, vinyl buckets. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or just take it out and drive it, period. All right. Let's fire this up. All right, tack is working, as you can see. There is a brake light on. Did want to mention that. Coincides with some of the stuff we've talked about. Odometer reached 69,233. I cannot confirm or deny if that is original miles or not. Close that door so that door light will go off. Radio working order. Clock is working. Fuel gauge. Oil pressure, battery. Water temp. That was a cold start. I would not expect that to be up. So it appears all the gauges are working. Dash looks good. best of all, sounds good, runs smooth. Lights working. Let's listen. A little rumble coming out of that crate 350. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. Let me get this hood popped. We'll check out this engine bay. See how it looks underneath there. There's a good look at the hood liner. And engine bay. Looks like it does have a newer master cylinder. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC components all appear to be here. This would need some attention with that conversion from the R12. HEI ignition, poly floor barrel. Smooth runner. Wow. These C3s, you want to get into a Corvette that you can have fun driving without breaking the bank. The way these are priced, it's a lot of bang for the buck. Especially one runs this smooth. And nicely equipped. Good looking engine bay. And best of all, 4-speed. Paired up with that 350. 1976 Chevrolet Corvette. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1976 Chevrolet Corvette. As you may notice, the brake light is on the dash, but that's not affecting performance at all. The brakes are working. This is a 4-speed manual right here on the center console. We have a retro sound style digital radio. And that is working. Very solid feeling Corvette. Let's get her out on the highway and see how she does. Plenty of power. Great sounding exhaust. Oh, the clutch feels good. Shifter feels good. Our gauges are working. Clock equipped. Now that clock is working. Fuel gauge showing 3/4 of a tank. The temperature almost a quarter of the way up. That's still getting warm. Our turn signal indicator is working well. Oil pressure is approximately 65 to 70 psi. And the battery's charging over halfway on the gauge. It says we're doing 50 miles an hour. That feels about right. And the tachometer is also working. Very nice looking gauges. Nice looking dash. The interior and exterior in this car, quite nice. Bucket seats are, of course, very comfortable. T-top car. Now we do have the T-tops in today. And as you can see, there's a storm kind of rolling in today in Minnesota. But it ain't raining yet. So we're doing these driving videos for you. Brakes feel nice and smooth. The wipers work. The blower motor also works on this car. Corners very well. You let the clutch out just right, she'll get a little chirp. It's a nice driving Corvette, very good runner, and beautiful, especially on the interior. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.